Hey friends, a lot of users want to know about the Spooler subsystem app and why it causes high CPU usage. So the basic reference here is to the print spooler and the print spooler service. Yes, it will cause high CPU usage on your system for multiple reasons, and one of the reasons is that even when it is not printing, there may be print queues which are present. How can you reduce it? First of all, you need to decide whether you need to kill the print queues at that point of time or not. Let's say your printing job is done and it's still causing high CPU usage. In that case, I have a path here. Go to this path on your computer, press the Windows key and the R button together, type this path and hit enter. Return one page. You'll find spool here. Select all the folders and delete all the folders. Okay, and it will say that we cannot delete all, then click on skip because a few of these folders are still in use. Once this is done, restart your computer and the process will be finished. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.